Guys, listen. There is no magic pill to cure stage fright. It's not like if you follow a free training or a course that you paid for, then all of a sudden that fear of public speaking is gone. That's not how fear works. Fear is created in the past and it's projecting towards the future. So what that means is that there's more going on than just structuring your knowledge in the right order, like a sales pitch, right? I understand that that could be a very large part, but if you are, for instance, if you are a negative thinker, or you are feeling that you're not good enough, or you feel like an imposter, all those things count too. So it cannot be just knowledge alone that makes the fear of public speaking go away. Please realize that when you follow a training, all right?